Welcome back to Auto Action. The 2025 Volkswagen Atlas can be seen as a modern take on the classic station wagon, designed with families in mind. It offers 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, and an attractive, albeit understated, exterior design. The second row boasts exceptional legroom, and folding down the second and third rows creates an impressive amount of cargo space. While the interior is functional and spacious, it lacks flair or a standout design. Under the hood, every Atlas is powered by a 269 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Acceleration is sufficient, though not thrilling. Pricing for the 2025 Atlas starts at $39,625 and goes up to $54,630, depending on trim and features. The recommended configuration is the SE with technology trim, paired with the 4Motion all-wheel drive system. This version includes features like 20-inch wheels, compared to the SE's 18-inch ones, a trailer hitch package, remote start, and USB charging ports in the third row. For added comfort, opting for second-row captain's chairs is suggested. The new turbocharged engine replaces the previous 276 horsepower V6, offering better throttle response and a retuned transmission that adds a bit more liveliness to its performance. The Atlas delivers smooth handling for highway and city driving but feels less precise when tackling sharp curves. The ride is comfortable, absorbing most road imperfections well. Inside, the Atlas excels in practicality, with a family-friendly layout, straightforward controls, and ample cup holders. Its third row comfortably accommodates adults, a notable advantage over some competitors. While the interior design is simple and geared toward functionality rather than style, material quality has improved since 2024. The Atlas proves to be highly versatile for family use, with cleverly placed storage spaces for small items. In luggage tests, it managed to fit 4 carry-on bags behind the third row and an impressive 38 bags with the rear seats folded, on par with large rivals like the Honda Pilot.